As a growing business, are you tempted to choose and manage communications technology yourself? Don't even try. Voice, data, and cloud systems are complicated. You'll struggle to optimize your technology and suffer from inefficient networking, unreliable service, and security vulnerabilities. Managing communications technology drains staff time and strains finances, because you have to figure out networking, hardware, software, maintenance, and upgrades. Then, as you grow, your needs evolve, like adding new locations, supporting remote workers, and leveraging the advantages of AI. How will you scale infrastructure, ensure redundancy, automate processes, and provide the best customer service? And don't forget opportunity cost. Managing voice and data technology takes time and attention, while you and your team should be focused on strategic initiatives and generating revenue. By now, you get it. Communications technology is complicated. That's why the smart thing to do is let Partners Technology simplify it for you. We make it easy to upgrade to the latest voice, video, hosted, and contact center solutions. We answer our phones live and offer local support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Service like that is how Partners Technology became a gold partner of Mitel, celebrating 50 years of innovation. Over 75 million global users rely on Mitel to connect, collaborate, and provide better experiences for their customers. Mitel ensures that Partners Technology can bring you the technical expertise and custom solutions you need, whether on-premise, private cloud, public cloud, or hybrid. Finally, while we provide a higher level of personal service, we lower your expenses. We evaluate usage, assess providers, gather quotes, and negotiate contracts, so you pay only one communications bill and save money, period. It's time to simplify and make Partners Technology your partner. Call or email us to chat about your needs.